Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy Valentine's Day sign. For the materials, you'll need a wood block, paint, a paintbrush, a vinyl cutout, baker's twine, and scissors. First, paint the wood block. Let it dry. Then put the vinyl cutout where you'd like it. Peel off the transfer tape. Then wrap the baker's twine around the block as many times as you'd like and tie a bow. Cut the end. And that's it! This turned out so cute and I love that it's a part of my Valentine's Day decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.